Hey, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Soul Sync. It's Dovey here, and today we're uncovering some of the biggest dating secrets that guys keep from girls. Boys might not always say exactly what they're thinking, but trust me, they have a lot of unspoken thoughts and feelings when it comes to dating, romance, and relationships. So let's dive into 8 dating secrets that guys don't usually tell girls. 1. He thinks about you more than you realize. You might think you're the only one overanalyzing texts, replaying conversations, and wondering if he likes you. But the truth? Guys do the exact same thing. If a guy likes you, he's probably thinking about you way more than he lets on. He rereads old messages, overthinks how to reply, and even checks your social media just to feel a little closer to you. He won't admit it because he wants to seem chill, but trust me, you're on his mind. 2. He notices the smallest things about you. Girls often assume that guys only focus on big things like outfits or makeup. But in reality, guys notice the tiny, unique things about you, like how you tuck your hair behind your ear when you're nervous, the way you laugh when something is genuinely funny, or the little phrases you always say. These small details stick with him because they make you different from everyone else. He might never say, "I love how your voice gets softer when you're sleepy," but he's definitely noticed. He won't always text first, but he wants you to. A lot of girls think if he really liked me, he'd text first. But the truth is, some guys hold back because they don't want to come off as needy or desperate. He might be waiting for you to make a move, just to see if you're interested too. If you always expect him to text first, he might think you don't care as much. So don't be afraid to reach out. Sometimes that's all he needs to feel secure about you. 4. He's more insecure than he lets on. Girls aren't the only ones who overthink how they look, what they say, or how they come across. Guys have insecurities too, but they just hide them better. He might wonder if he's funny enough, tall enough, or attractive enough for you. If he seems confident, it doesn't always mean he feels that way. So when you compliment a guy, especially on things beyond his looks, it can mean the world to him. 5. He likes it when you make the first move. There's a huge myth that guys only want to chase, but here's a secret. A lot of guys love when a girl makes the first move. It takes a lot of pressure off of them, and it shows that you're interested too. Whether it's texting first, asking him out, or just dropping hints that you like him, it makes him feel wanted and appreciated. A little boldness goes a long way. 6. He might take a while to catch feelings, but when he does, it's deep. Girls often develop feelings fast, but for most guys, it's a slower process. That's why sometimes it seems like he's not as emotionally invested in the beginning. But when a guy truly falls for you, it's serious. When he finally decides you're the one, his loyalty is real. It's just that guys take their time to be sure about their feelings before fully opening up. Now 7. He loves it when you show affection in small ways. A guy might act cool and tough, but deep down, he loves little moments of affection. Things like fixing his hair, holding his hand first, or just sending a sweet "thinking of you" text. These small acts of care make him feel safe and connected to you. He might not say it outright, but if you start doing them, you'll definitely notice how much he melts for you. 8. He's secretly afraid of rejection, even when he acts confident. Even the most confident guys have a fear of rejection. But he might act chill, but if he really likes you, he's probably nervous about messing up. That's why sometimes a guy will hesitate before making a move. He's trying to read your signals. If he's flirting, but not making it official, he might just be scared of getting shut down. Giving him a little reassurance can make a huge difference. Guys aren't always the best at saying what they're thinking, but once you understand these little secrets, dating will make so much more sense. So did any of these surprise you? Have you noticed a guy doing these things? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SoulSync. See you in the next one.